Your 25-cent Washington quarter from 1937 could be worth a lot more money than just 25 cents, believe me. Let's look at this coin right here that sold for $4,600. Now you may be asking yourself, what's wrong with this coin? Why does it look a little bit strange? Well, that's because this coin was accidentally struck on a 5-cent planchet graded by PCGS and Mint State 63. If you have a 1937 quarter, you must be weighing it if it looks strange because it could be struck on a wrong planchet. And if that's the case, you could have a coin worth a lot of money. Now look at these two coins that sold for $5,520. This is actually a combined lot. So not only is there the 1937, but there's a 1971 with the same thing that was accidentally struck on a 5-cent planchet. This goes to show that it's not just one coin that was produced. There are multiples of the 1937 coin that were struck in a 5-cent planchet. So you can find these out there. Even if they're not in this high of a grade, they're still going to be worth more money because these two coins sold for $5,520. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed. So you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. This coin sold for $11,700 and here's why. So this 1937 25-cent coin is a proof coin graded by PCGS, a proof 68 with a CAC sticker. So the first thing you need to be looking out for on your 1937 quarter is if it's a proof coin. Now really quick, what's a proof coin? Proof coins on the backdrop or the field of the coin will have a shiny, lustrous appearance just like a mirror. If your coin has a very shiny, lustrous appearance like that, it could be a proof coin. Also, this coin graded at a proof 68. That's only 2 points away from the perfect grade 70. Lastly, this is a CAC sticker. So after the coin has been graded and authenticated, it's in the holder, you can send your coin off to a company called CAC. CAC will look at the coin in the holder and determine if the grade is accurate or if they think the coin is undergraded and they think it could go higher. That little CAC sticker will dramatically increase the value of the coin. This coin sold for $11,700. This coin sold for $21,150 and here's why. So this is a 1937 25-cent coin graded by PCGS, a Mint State 66, a CAC sticker. We know what the CAC sticker does. First thing I want to point out is how dirty and grimy this coin looks, but don't worry, that is actually toning. Toning occurs when the air will oxidize with the metals in the coin, but the main reason why it sold for so much money is because this is a doubled die obverse. So long story short, during the minting process, the hub that they used to produce these coins had a doubling on it, which transfers to these coins. Now to see if you have doubling, you're going to want to look at Liberty, In God We Trust, and the date there on the front. You're going to need some sort of magnification there most likely, but if your coin has doubling like this, it could be worth a lot of money because this coin sold for $21,150. If you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.